On to ball. Clocked at 150 k's. One of his deliveries. Fastest ball of the tournament. Well, they would have gobbled it with one hand. What an amazing fielder he was, all-round fielder. Yeah, pace from Hasnain. Miscue from Charles.
Once Charles hit the ball, it sounded like he hadn't hit it too well. Quick single, another opportunity. Good scuttling between the wickets. But he's in the action because he's a gun fielder, as you were saying.
Yeah, he's a very good fielder. Seen him take some lovely catches.
Quite a reputation of really being useful in the outfield, so that's why he's in these hot spots.